How to connect Instagram to LinkedIn. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can connect your Instagram account to your LinkedIn account. So first of all, just open Zapier. We're gonna use Zapier in order to connect our Instagram account to the LinkedIn account. So that will make this process even more easier. So first of all, just click on Create Zap on the left hand side of your screen, and after that just select Instagram as a trigger since we want to connect our Instagram to LinkedIn. So here on the search bars, just search for Instagram, just click on it, and after that just choose an event, new media posted in my account, and after that just click on continue, and after that just click on sign in, and it will redirect you to the page where you have to authenticate and verify your Instagram account to your Zapier. So just go ahead and do that, and there your first step will be done. And after that just click on action, and in the action you gotta choose LinkedIn since you want to connect Instagram to LinkedIn. Just search for LinkedIn on the search bar and just click on it, and after that just choose an event, create, share, update, and after that just click on continue, and just go ahead and sign in with your LinkedIn account and connect it with your Zapier. Once you connect your Instagram and your LinkedIn account to your Zapier account, and after that just go ahead and click on confirm, and there your Instagram account will be successfully connected to your LinkedIn account. So this is how you will be able to connect your Instagram account to your LinkedIn account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.